yung ngipin niya, di ba masaya?
So, we finally received our packages. This one is from Victoria. Thanks, Boo! So, Victoria is the official godmother of Kiki. Yep. Maybe you talk na. So, I just want to say one thing before I open this. Philippine Post, Phil Post, you freaking, you suck. Ang sorry. Toot!
At least we got the box.
I'm so excited!
Say, I told you, you gotta go and get it.
Ma, huwag kang hindi ka kasama sa video.
Ay, sorry pala, dito pala kayo. Sorry.
Sige, I'm not gonna open yet. Ito po.
Alright.
Sabay tayo.
So this one has been sent January what? 7, 5, 6. Something like this. And
Victoria
arrived
sent it from California.
On the 5th.
First on the 5th. And then we saw that it arrived in Manila, January 10.
With nobody there.
But nobody's freaking delivering it. So we decided to call and Matt went there today. And it's been sitting there. Yeah.
Nobody else was called.
Yeah. They're just excited to open it.
Well, this one has cheese, I know. So, woo.
This one naman, from France. From Matt's family.
My sister-
They sent it when?
My sister started it. They sent it on the 6th, I said.
Ah! Same as Victoria?
No, the day after.
Eh no.
The day after.
They sent it after my
I have
birthday.
proof. I have proof. Oh, date 06/01/21.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
I sanitize it na. Woo! Okay. One per item ah.
One item, you mean one item at a time?
Oo, one item at a time. Yay! Oh my God! Okay, let's just say there's a box. There's a mug. Oh my God, Boo! Thank you. So ito yung una kong binuksan.
Michigan.
California. Thanks, Boo!
Ano my turn? Box.
Okay, go naman. Champs-Élysées,
This is a
Champs-Élysées.
chocolate box. So you have assorted chocolate and then you pick the one you
May
like.
bisag ka dito.
And you show you reach it.
So this is first from Matthew's box.
I think it's from my mother.
Champs-Élysées
Diamond.
Diamond. It's,
Lint.
yes, it's for the buntis.
No, no.
And next is Samoa! Ah!
What's this?
I think it's a blankie. It's a baby blanket. And he has like a neck pillow.
It's
Oh my God, so cute.
Oh, let's use it. Use it once again. Oh.
I'm gonna use this. The crib. I'm gonna put it in the crib.
For lifetime.
Yeah.
Maybe we have scissors the bit before you
Oh
want to
my,
break it.
sorry.
I'm assuming. Bad, stop. Did you get the scissors?
Where's the scissors now?
Now you ask me nicely.
Nice. But go na, you pull one more.
I pull one. I'm gonna pull this.
This is so cute! It's a baby neck pillow!
It's sous vide.
Huh? What is that?
Sous vide t-shirt. So I think that's my mother again. She sent me this. I know because it's sous vide. I know my mother. And look how smart is my mother. For me not to be able to pay food. I think there's something which I don't know. Can I go this one?
There's what? Can I borrow the scissors? What is that? Can you open and
Is
discard
that
it?
I think that's a no blanc for the bed.
Oh shit.
It's bed sheets.
What does it say?
You don't know how to speak French yet?
Oh,
That's for bed.
it's
For bed.
Scrib.
Yeah, crib. Thing.
Cribs. setting.
So what did
For
you
the
say?
bolster, Mama.
J'aime ma maman.
So it means that Kiki loves me.
Ah, yes.
Only mommy. So it's a crib bedding.
No, but no, put it here.
Ay, sorry.
Grabe ka. Why are we gonna wash it now?
We're gonna wash everything first, of course, before we...
Tama ka.
I'm still here in the blanket. Oh, Kiki.
Where do we put the birds? The nasa or something?
Yeah, on the side. Oh my god, this is so cute! Aww.
That's for my dad. It's a jacket kitchen.
It's baby elephants! So cute. Okay.
I think
Am I next? What's that for?
It's for my shirt jacket.
Oh, and we have
It's a book.
my first book.
What's this scissors?
And what else? Oh, this is from Manu.
And this is yours.
Spuma. And onesies, more onesies. From Victoria. Thanks, Ooh.
Ah, Dudu.
What's this for? Is it for the head?
No, it's just a no. It's something like this.
Oh, yeah. From who? From Manu?
I don't know. It's
Petit quoi?
Petit Rêve.
What does it mean?
Little
Petit
Dreamer.
Revo.
Little Dreamer. I think that's from my mom or something. I think the Soviet is from my mom. You put there. I did.
No, kasi nga, don't mix.
So this.
There's a bib. It's from Mama.
I think so.
More onesies.
Maybe that was mine.
Maybe this is Machu's when he was a little boy.
Could be, yeah. Hello, Bubu.
Me, Tina. What is this? Oh! This is for the mommy! I love you, Boo! Oh my god, I'm so happy! I have a bunch of stuffs. I haven't done skincare since I got pregnant because my OB told me not to, so I wasn't able. This is the first thing I'm gonna do when I give birth.
Christmas next year.
Thanks, Boo! I'm so
What, this year?
happy!
This year?
Christmas next year. Oh.
And I have
This
accessories
year?
pa.
This one, oh. Look.
Thank you.
Oh, this year. Christmas this year.
Oh.
May background. May background sa salita. Oh, more socks. Sockies. Are these pair? Bakit blue and gray? Ay, I'm sorry. Bakit white and gray?
So you can teach him left and right.
If you take it out na, mamaya na.
On the left. Why?
Mamaya na, just put it na.
Okay, go. You can wash it.
Cutie! Okay, it's my turn.
That's mine.
Oh my god! How cute!
Papa, give me this. Where did they put this?
Oh, it's partner na yan, oh.
It's for it's my jacket that I used when I was a waiter at school.
What the fuck, there's padding?
Yeah, of course. No, that's when you are in the hotel. When you are in the hotel lobby, then you wait like this or like this.
But you wear it in the hospital daw.
What?
Ako pa? Ay, ito mo pala.
Towel. The triangle, pancho.
Yeah. Sige, baby. Sige pa. Magbukas ka pa.
Sa pang poncho.
This This is from ano?
From Manu, you put the baby
From
inside.
Manu.
Okay. Put things else over there.
I can smell the cheese na.
Ano, blanket with the sheeps.
I have a lot of blankets.
Jackpot Queen! Maybe that was Ezekiel. I'm sure. Ezekiel.
Yeah, from Ezekiel.
Chocolate with the special.
Or chocolates.
Delicacies inside. Holy second.
Are you gonna open the cheese? What the fudge?
But it's baby cotton, but
It's not baby cotton buds.
small is.
Very big. What's this?
Syrup, maybe sa baby.
For nasal. What this? Some gel.
Baby.
Mastella. Oh, I bought this. Some books, French, of course.
That has been used and people have written on them.
Me premier mot.
Quoi? Mes premiers mots.
Yeah, that's what I said. Les animaux de la farm.
Ah,
Mon imaginaire des animaux familiers.
maybe if you
Me
look,
next.
this is not the same.
More clothes. This is so cute. For first Christmas. Partner with the shoes from ano? Where's the red shoes? Yan. Ay, kasi meron na siyang booties pa. Oh, may first outfit na si Kiki.
Maybe close it dito. Please.
Okay. The next big thing. Oh, yes. What's that?
Bag.
Termo.
Para sa ano.
Oh, those are all the cheeses for sure.
Yeah, I can see. Yes.
You. So you know naman guys that we're sucker for French cheeses.
Oh, I think there is something that is not good anymore. Woo! This pwede pa.
What is this?
This is a mushroom, wild mushrooms.
Mushroom. Can I put it on the
Ula,
floor?
sausage, and pork fork.
Maybe put it in the freezer na lang.
I know. Oh, sige, I will bring it. They never tell you what's not good anymore.
Okay.
I don't think the sausage will do.
Sayang. Oh, there's a book for Gracie. Thanks, Boo. Gracie! What is this? Thank you. So that's the last of it. Curb wedge. Oh yes. Okay, baby, let's continue yours.
I think the sous vide is papa pala. I don't know.
So it's more clothes. More clothes.
Oh la vache!
May box ka galing kay Victoria.
From Aunt Vic.
That's sweet.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say
Thank you. Thank you.
Anak, naka-pajama ka pa. So, alam ko sa video.
More
Kain
bomb.
ka na rin ako.
More baby clothes.
Bako dyan? Bako.
Lagay sa mukha.
That's very smart.
Can you smell?
The vacuum is from...
I think all vacuum is papa pala. Oh, I don't know. Who last time?
More clothes.
I think clothes is good. Yeah, I'm ready to wait.
Yeah, so I think we're not gonna buy clothes anymore until 2 years old.
Oh.
We have to separate the ano baby ha, the ones for
More than one and
Oo.
more than six.
the 0 to 3 we should.
Isn't it depending on the size of the baby? What if he grows fast?
That too, but
So
let's
you,
take na the. Oh, there's a diaper. There's a diaper. Okay, well, this
then
is in
all
the
of this is
hospital.
from my sister. You want to bring it out on my
Okay na. So thank you so much, merci beaucoup.
Merci, 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 merci.
Thanks, Boo.
Bon, le fromage, il a pas passé. Hein. The cheese that survived.
We can't wait for you to meet this little monster. It's
Diyan ka na ah.
he's arriving soon. We're on the waiting game now. So bye.
Okay na.
Grabe, baby, so many naman. So nice.
Hi! So I received this today, a package from Jasmine. I feel like I'm continuously opening gifts every day. Thank you, Bading. You're so sweet. Let's catch up soon. I will open it now. I'm not gonna wait for much anymore. Yay! Oh my god! So more clothes. Good thing we didn't buy anything anymore. Huh. Aww. It's a jacket. And pants. A little pillow. What's this? Oh, this is a blanket? Yes, it's a blanket. Thank you. Mamas and papas. Ay, sorry. Cover my face. Okay. More onesies. We're really not gonna buy anything anymore. Like clothes and stuff. Thank you, Bading. You're so sweet. I'm gonna wash these today because I've ordered Cycles detergent na for baby. So I'm gonna wash everything so we can pack our hospital bag. Thank you so much, Bading.